Charity 16. In a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 2866, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that giving charity during one's lifetime is 100 times better than giving it when they reach their deathbed. This is important to understand, as many Muslims foolishly believe they can either hoard their wealth or spend it in ways pleasing to their own desires instead of in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, and when they reach their deathbeds they will then donate large amounts of wealth. First of all, as warned in this narration, a Muslim will lose most their reward behaving in this manner. This is because they have realized that they are departing from this world, and their precious wealth has now become insignificant and useless to them, as they cannot take it with them. Giving something useless to Allah, the Exalted, is not the characteristic of a true Muslim. In fact, it contradicts true belief and piety. Chapter 3 Ali Imran, verse 92.
Never will you attain the good reward until you spend in the way of Allah from that which you love.
A Muslim should therefore be kind to themselves and spend in ways which are pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, which includes spending on their own necessities and the necessities of their dependents without waste, excessiveness or extravagance. They should not wait for their last moment, as this might come unexpectedly, and spending at this time will not be so fruitful for them anyway.